Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to auto rotate screen guys. You can see guys, this auto rotate guys, you want to off, so guys you can off. In this video guys, I will show you how to off auto rotate. Guys, you want to off it, so guys you can off in your Vivo phone. So guys, let's see how to off it. So guys, first of all, open your phone setting to off this auto rotate. Then guys, scroll it and guys come on display and brightness setting. After guys scroll it, then guys you can see auto rotate screen. So you want to off, so guys you can off from here. And guys, now let's see guys, when you will rotate your phone, so it will not rotate. So I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.